Tracy Henderson, webcam assignment for week 11. The Big Time Brewing Company has created several employee resource groups in the past 3 years, including a group for the GLBTQ employees. They're looking for ways to evaluate the impact of that GLBTQ employees resource group. The ways that I would first look at evaluating this employee resource group is I would conduct an all-employee attitude survey to collect data on how employees view and use the data collected or the information that is offered by the employee resource group. The second would be look into discrimination complaints. Has the number of complaints gone up or down since the employee resource group is being created? And also look into employee transfers. Are there more employees transferring from a specific area that may have been identified as having a diversity problem in the past? Or is there more? Look at why certain people are transferring from department to department. Are they being discriminated against in all departments or in any of the departments? And then listen and really pay attention to any and all communication that has been said about the employee resource group. This is, I feel, the best way to gauge the popularity of the group and if it's actually doing what it was intended to do. The next scenario is the Greater Smartville School District. They need to justify the ongoing expense of diversity training. First thing I believe they would need to do is take a look at the stress reduction of the teachers and staff that have been involved in the diversity training. Do those involved seem to have less stress now since they've had the training? And also, do they feel that it is a direct result of the training? Look at the number of complaints, grievances, and disturbances since the diversity training has been offered. As teachers and staff learn better ways to handle situations, these numbers should realistically be going down. And then finally, communication. Do the teachers and staff believe that the diversity training is having a positive effect on themselves and the students that they teach? If the teachers are behind any of the training that they get and they can see the results of it on a day-to-day basis, this is the best way to gauge how positive effect the diversity training is becoming and has become. The final scenario is the eWidget company developing a supplier diversity program, and they need a plan to evaluate the emerging supplier diversity program. They'll need to take look at a number of areas. First would be workplace or workforce demographics. What is the company workforce look like at the beginning? Has there been a shift in the demographics since the beginning, and is it a positive shift in the diversity of the employees that they have? Secondly is the work environment. What is the work environment like? Is it friendly, hostile, tense? Has this work environment changed since the diversity program was developed? Program efficiency and effectiveness. Has efficiency within eWidget and the supply companies improved since the diversity programs was initiated? Has the diversity program had a positive effect on the supply companies and also on eWidget? And finally, the business impact may be the most important of these. Since the development and implementation of the diversity program, how has eWidget's business been? Have profits gone up or down? Have they lost or gained suppliers? Has the quality of the product been affected? These are all things that can directly affect the business, and if the business isn't doing good because of this diversity initiative, then it's time to look for a different initiative to reach the same results that they were looking for with this one. Thank you.